name is G. Pawan Kumar. I am from Chennai. I am studying in Shastra University, that is located in Tanjavur, and my specialization is electronics and instrumentation engineering. Just wanted to do some internship come training during the summer instead of dozing away the holidays. So I thought I'll make it useful, and I browsed the net, I got it. Why not analytics would be my question, because analytics is something that you go by in every day of your life, right from when you're a kid to your old age. You keep comparing things, you keep analyzing what to buy, what not to buy. There are various things that you go about doing in analytics. So this is like bread and butter for everyone's life. This suited my needs exactly, like it made up for my vacation. Also it coincided with my holidays perfectly, so I could plan it out in a brilliant, in a way that I could manage for the traveling from my place, my hometown. I'd say it's the ambience that is provided in this course that we are taking away. The highlight is the IIT where we work. It's like an official atmosphere where everyone is silent. It's more like you're working in a corporate workspace. So I guess that makes us look better when we work together. I'd give it a 9. The thing is, there can be more personalized attention to people, because some of them don't understand all the things, all the syntaxes that are being said. So it is quite not possible, feasible. It is not feasible. So they can make sure that each one gets to know what level he or she is in. Main thing is we are learning how to analyze data, and that is becoming more and more important these days, because it's a highly competitive world where you aim for better salaries and more money in your pocket. So basically you all need this analytics. So the thing is, we have the we are basically studying for the software which analyzes data. So this is the major takeaway that we have, I guess. No, it is beneficial to everyone. It doesn't concentrate on any particular field like say computer science or economics. Everyone gets to know what it is. Like it's like basic mathematics and simple coding. So everyone gets to know what it is about. That is a question that I have thought about deeply. I think like what people say, this is a very very rare program to find these days. So if I tell it to them, then it increases the competition. So I'm scared whether to tell it or not. I can't find a word. There are many. In fact, I'd say it is a distinguished program compared to the